I, Navdeep Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. So, students, let's start with the chapter. Today, we'll go through the 13th and 14th chapter back exercise. So, let's first start with the 13th chapter back exercise. So, first is about the fill in the blanks. Deciduous forests are also known as the dash forest, as evergreen forest. So we'll write here evergreen. Alright, the second one is mountain forest have coniferous trees. ठीक है. Next is mangrove forest are found on deltas of rivers and special roots that grow in salina region. Fourth one is kicker and date are found in thorn forest. The fifth one is dash is the practice of planting more trees, afforestation. ठीक है, जो दोबारा प्लांटिंग एक से ज़्यादा प्लांट लगाने हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, afforestation. Next come with the C part, stay true and false. Forests refer to natural vegetation, that is true. Evergreen forests have tall trees such as ebony, rosewood and mahogany. This is also true. Deciduous forests are found in some part of West Bengal, Odisha, the northern east state and in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is false. Kaziranga National Park is known for its wild assets. This is true. Kanha National Park is in Gujarat. That is also true. That is also false. Sorry, fourth and fifth one is false. So let us discuss about the 14th chapter back exercise. 14th chapter is about our environment. So fill in the blanks. Number one is weathering of dash result in formation of soil, weathering of rocks. Next is the living organisms that make their food directly with the help of the environment are called producers. Third one is dash connect different countries and regions of the world with each other, that is globalization. Fourth is natural resources are mainly used as a dash in various industrial processes, that is the raw material. Fifth one is burning of fossil fuel release carbon dioxide on large amount in the atmosphere. So these are the fill in the blanks of this chapter, and come with the next, that is the straight true or false. First one is water is available only on the earth's surface, that is false. Ozone layer of the atmosphere protect the earth from harmful ultraviolet rays emitted from the sun, that is true. Producers are dependent on consumers for food, that is false. Globalization result in sharing of knowledge, experience and lifestyle of people and culture, that is true. Sources of coal, petroleum and natural gases can be renewed within few years, that is false. Next आ जाता है हमारा C part, that is choose the correct answers. Which component allow human beings to carry out agriculture? Air, water, land या ocean, that is the land. Identify the producer from the following option. इन ऑप्शन में से कौन सा है? That is the plant. ठीक है. What lead to migrations of skilled people to developed countries? That is the globalization. Fourth one is identify the cause of water pollution from the following. These are the four options given here. So you have to choose the industrial waste in river and oceans. Which out of these is a clean source of energy? That is the nuclear energy. So this is the discussion about the back exercise of chapter number 13 and 14, and please well prepare for your exam. Thank you, students.